What's up guys, here's Clutter from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to customize the Windows Start panel, okay? This option right here, okay? How to customize the look and feel, the icons, the options. It's simple, easy, and effective. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. First, open the Start panel and search for settings, okay? Click on settings. Now we're going to be able to see this left sidebar of menus. Review it. We have home, system, Bluetooth, network. Click on personalization, okay? Then scroll down just a little bit and you're going to be able to find start, recent apps and eatings, folders. Click on it. First thing, we can change the design. We can change to the full or to most recommendations, all up to you, okay? Then you can change show recently added apps, most used apps. I like it, this option. Show recommended files start, show websites from browsing history, show recommendations, show account related notifications. I don't care about it. We have folders and we have show mobile device on start. I don't have my mobile connected to the Windows, so I have no need for it. And here is how it gonna looks like now. Easy, right? And on folders you can click and show settings, file explorer, documents, download music, pictures, videos, network, and personal files, all up to you and to your needs. I like the options to share my downloads, so you can click on it and you're gonna be able to see the downloads, okay? Here is the result you got. Into recommended we have some options. Let's go back. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.